Hi there, Dr. Zwelling here for a bi-weekly Obamacare update. The news keeps running in, and I know you're very confused. Most of America is pretty confused. But I'd like to consolidate that for you into a couple of important informational pieces on a bi-weekly basis. This week, I'd like to talk to you about the doctor shortage. I'm not going to change your mind about that because it's true. There probably are not enough doctors in this country, not enough doctors in the right places, so rural America is definitely in need of doctors. The problem is how we have decided to answer that problem. The answer should be that we need to enhance our educational opportunities, increase the number of doctors coming out of our medical schools, increase the residency efforts, and probably refine our educational methodology. But what we have found is that many states have answered the problem by changing what we call the scope of practice. Particularly here in California and in many other states, the states have decided that nurse practitioners can do a doctor's job. Well, it's just not true. And while nurse practitioners are excellent at their profession, they are not a physician. Unfortunately, this has provided some confusion in your opportunity as a patient. Many of my patients I know, when they go to specialists, they have seen someone who's not a doctor. Sometimes that person does not present themselves as the nurse practitioner or the physician's assistant. And in fact, that person may be a doctor of nursing or a doctor of pharmacy when they give you advice, but they're not a doctor of medicine. So my piece of advice this week is when you go to a doctor, any doctor, ask them what their credentials are. Make sure you're talking to an MD, a doctor of medicine. Now that doesn't mean that a nurse practitioner can't perform some very important functions. They are professionals, absolutely, but they're nurse professionals, not physician professionals. And that's important for you to know. That's my Obamacare update for this week. Take care, and remember, it's your life, it's your opportunity, you own it. Make sure you're getting the care you need. Ask the right questions. Take care now and have a great week. Bye-bye.